Hey, it's Jimmy again here. Hey, we're at the college again today. Just gonna take you around the hangar. The students are in full force. Half of the class is timing magnetos, so they're removing magnetos. And then the other half of the class is removing the landing gear. So again, full operational activities for the aircraft today. So again, these two individuals, elbows right into taking the magnetos out. Another class here. We've got two cohorts, cohort 11 and 12 so far. This class, see here.
From the side brake bracket 26.
Landing gear removal.
Is the actual bracket. That's what's mounted up. This is.
And these are all students. All students perform and maintain the airplane. Instructors, hands off. Just great again. All students. Hey, you want to say something? What are you doing?
We are removing the magnetos left and right, and then we're going to go bench test them, disassemble it, and reassemble, bench test it again, and then replace the magnetos with new ones.
Oh, great. And then you're going to do an engine operational check, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And time them.
Oh, good. Hey, what are you guys doing? You're live here, so talk to me.
We are currently disassembling the nose landing gear on the Piper Cherokee.
Oh, great. This is my bodyguard here. What are you guys doing, man?
Disassembling the left-hand main landing gear, and currently I'm letting it drip.
Since you're my bodyguard, show me that flex. Look at that. Look, this is my bodyguard, yeah. And another crew here disassembling the landing gear. What are you guys up to? You're live. Talk to me. Who's going to talk to me?
Right now we're going to figure out how to decompress this air strut and get all the air and hydraulic fluid out of it so that we can disassemble it.
Great. All right. Thank you now.
Thank you.
All righty. Take a tour around the other side of the airplane here. Another team here disassembling the landing gear. Tell me what you're doing, man.
We just got the.
Sorry about that.
We just got the wheel off. And we are now.
Let's look at your tech data here.
Yep.
Talk to me.
So we just got the wheel off and we deflated the tire. And now we are moving on to disconnecting the down lock.
Okay.
Downlock
Step-by-step instructions.
We're taking that off and we're highlighting it as we go.
Oh, great.
And then we'll take the disconnect rod off and keep on working down the procedure.
All right, thank you. So again, the students are trained maintaining the airplane according to technical data. There's always data that's available to do every task. Not following the data is a direct violation, and students could fail the class just by not following technical data. So again, if you look around, all the students have technical data. Sometimes this technical data is digital, so they have tablets or signs. Some of them choose to use something different. They choose to use paper more so than electronic records. What are you guys doing?
Taking the magnetos off.
What are you going to do to the magnetos when you take them off?
Gonna bench test them first, and then according to our LSP, gotta check our breaker points, check our E-gap, and all that good stuff. And then internally time it, and then come back and time it to the end.
Oh, great. Thank you. That's it.
Cell phones, man. What you doing?
Hey, you're live. Come, tell me what you're doing then.
I'm gonna go get some tape so I can label my ignition lead wire.
Okay, great. He's getting on my case for cell phones, but hey, I'm the dean here, so and I'm videoing live what the students doing for advertisement. They know they're not supposed to have cell phones. That's the students, no cell phones in their pockets during activities. So again, just a little live shot of student activity. Here is all touch. It's college that works, so they touch every aspect of what they do. They learn from what they do. Again, technical college is hands-on. Technical college is hands-on, and they're learning from their maintenance activities. I'm going to sign out. So again, you guys, if you're interested, again, Savannah Technical College .edu. Feel free. You can even give me a call here at 912-443-4141 if you're interested in our programs. So thank you much.